Hello everyone, my name is Shanso Adewale, the Managing Director of ZEALTECH IT Solutions, and we are here today to teach you how to download and install WordPress plugins and themes into WordPress dashboard. So what we are learning today is how to download and install WordPress theme and plugins offline. Now, so let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to open your browser. So as you can see, I'm opening my Google Chrome browser. Then next thing, open a new tab. If you have some tabs opened already. Then next, type WordPress.org. Then it will take you to WordPress.org site. So in this window, what you need to do next is to click on a theme if you are to download theme, then or plugins if you are to download plugins. So the reason why we are doing this, the reason for this is when you are creating websites offline and there is need for you to upload a new theme or some features or some plugins that will help your website to be professional. So what you need to do now is to try to connect to internet and upload it. Then later you can switch off your internet and create your website offline. So I'm going to teach you how it is done. So please follow me up and listen to learn better. So now I want to upload theme first. The very first thing I want to do now is to upload theme. If you want to do that, click on theme, click on themes. As you click on themes, you will see as many as possible themes displayed. You can see. So try and choose the one you feel like you will use to build your website offline. Then if you don't like any of these themes here, then you can go to popular. Under popular, you see some other themes. Under popular. So if you don't like the ones you saw previously, so I think here you can see more, you can achieve more. I think I like this and I like this, and in fact I like this. Oh, it depends on what you want to build anyway. So if you are building a website for e-commerce or any organization, any business at all, you have the themes that will suit such websites here. You have the themes that will suit such websites here. So you can see as many as possible themes here. But even if you try to search for your likely themes here and you cannot find, so you can still go to latest one. I think latest one contains the themes that are generally used. Latest ones that are generally used and that are designed recently. So these are the latest themes that are designed recently and generally used. So now with the latest ones, I think if I were you, I would want to go to the latest ones. You know why? Because of the upgrade. So if you go for the old themes, you might need to be upgrading it. Even this, you see, as time goes on, you still have to upgrade it. But now you can choose it's still the latest one. So you can choose that will integrate your website to give you better features, beautiful features, better user interface, and a responsive interface. So I think you can choose any of these ones. So but if you have a particular one in mind to choose, you have a particular one theme in mind to choose or to use, then there is need for you to search for such themes. Let's say for instance you need a kind of a great theme. So just come here and type great, then it will bring out great theme. So you can see that now we have great themes. So all these are great themes. We have great magic, great mag, we have great. I have used this to build a beautiful website for clients, for more than 3 clients. So this one is very interesting if you know how to customize it very well. So, and then as time goes, you can see more and more themes, more and more themes. I have also used this one. It's also a very beautiful theme. I like that. And so you can choose anyone that you can choose any theme that is related to the kind of website you want to build. So that is it. And I love this tool. Now I think I've also used this one. I've used so many themes here for clients, to build websites for clients. So as for you too, you can also use any of the themes according to or regarding to what you want to do, or the kind of website to build, to create, be it company website, be it business website, be it corporate website, be it personal website, be it any kind of website at all. You can see the theme here. So now any of the themes you have chosen, then the next thing you need to do is to download it. So how do you download? You can just click on the download it, just point it. As you point it, then click on download. Then this will enable you to download the theme. Now the theme has been downloaded. The theme has been downloaded. So I will have to open it. As I have opened it, look at it here. So it's under my zip. So it is zipped, but it's under download. So now the name is SEO Writer Blocks. SEO Writer Blocks. Then another thing, after you have done that, go back to your theme, go back to your WordPress window rather. Then click on plugins. You've known how to download theme now. Now you've known how to download theme. So the next thing you need to do now is to go back to plugins. And now let's go to plugins and download plugins. Now I click on plugin. So once you click on plugin, then scroll down, you see as many as possible plugins there. You see as many as possible plugins there. You see as many as possible plugins there. So but what if you have a particular plugin in mind that you want to use, or according to what, or as to regard to what you want to use the plugin for? Or let me say it this way, maybe what you want the plugin to do for you. Like now I want a plugin that will enable enable clients or visitors of my sites to contact me and to also give some messages and send me some messages through my website. So in that case, I will need a contact form. So what do you need to do with that plugin? So just type contact form. To the case you can't see it on the in the window, so just type contact. You can just type contact, so that when you can type contact, different kind of plugins related to contact will display. So I press enter key. As I press enter key, it's either you press enter key or you click on search. Now I have contact form here, I have another contact form here. So according to the developers, so they build different kind of contact form for WordPress in order to integrate with WordPress. So I have so many contact form here, depending on, but I would like to use a simple one, so that you not get confused in the course of configuration. So now let me use this contact form. So once you click on the contact form, then you see this. Then what you need to do is to click on download. Now as you have downloaded it, then you may now have to go to your local host and upload your site. Now as you can see, I've downloaded it now. So it means that I've downloaded a theme. I have also downloaded a plugin. So the next thing to do now is I can off my internet if I like. I may still leave it, but it's no more working for me right now. It's not working for me. I have used it to download what I want to download. So I can just off it and go offline. So in order for me to go offline and start building my website offline, so what I will need to do is to launch my Wamp server. I will launch my Wamp server. So how do I get my Wamp server? My Wamp server is already downloaded. It's already downloaded just the way you have to do that too. It's already downloaded just the way you have to do that. Now I'm searching for the Wamp server and look at it. So what you do is to double click, Papa. When you double click on this Wamp server, then it will take you down to this icon here. So this icon will open. Once this icon is on, and the very first thing it will on red, then secondly it will on orange, then later it will now turn to green. So once it has turned to green, then click on it, then go to localhost. As you go to localhost, then your website that you have already created on the localhost or offline, go and select it. Select it. For example, ZEALTECH new site. So I have selected it. Now once you select it, it will take you down to the website. Now this is the website. Now this is the website that we have not yet finished. So we are still using it to train the students on how to edit this website to a professional level. So now what you need to do now, at the back of this localhost site address, on the address bar, type wp-admin. Type wp-admin and press enter key. As you press enter key, then it will take you to the dashboard, to your the dashboard. Now you need to log into the dashboard before you can have access to the dashboard. So click on so type in your username and type in your password, then click on login. So as you click on login, then it will take you down to the dashboard. This is the dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. Right now you are creating this website offline, no more online. You are creating this website offline. That is what we are doing now. So we remember we have just downloaded WordPress themes and WordPress theme and WordPress plugin. Remember, we have just downloaded WordPress plugin and WordPress theme. All right, so what you need to do now is to click on point appearance. As you point appearance, click on themes. That is what we want to do now. We want to upload our theme, the theme we have downloaded. These are pre-designed themes that we do. These are the pre-designed themes, and only this one was uploaded to this place, but this will always come with WordPress. These ones will always come with WordPress. Once you just finish installing your WordPress, it will come with WordPress installation. So but this one is uploaded. It was uploaded. I uploaded it. So now I want to upload another one. Let's take a look at our website first before we upload another one. So as you can see our website, very still hot. It's not yet done. It's not to a professional stage. So but we are still cooking it. So what matters here is to continue working on it and and begin to use the features, and configuring and customizing the features of the theme and upload the content. That is what make a professional website. Now what you need to do now, come here, then click on add new. As you click on add new, what do you want to add? We are adding new plugin, new theme rather. So as you click on add new, click on upload theme. As you click on upload theme, then click on what? Browse. Then as you click on browse, locate where the theme was downloaded, the folder the theme was downloaded into. So that is what I want to locate now, and I think it was downloaded under downloads. So anything you download, you always go to downloads. So now, and what's the name of the theme? If you know it, type it. If you don't know it, then search for it by scrolling. Search for it by scrolling. Search for it by scrolling. But I think I know it. Then in that case, I will press S then look at it. As I press S, it brought it out to that S categories. So this is it, SEO write-up log. So I have to select it, then I click on open. When I click on open, the next thing to do is to click on install. So once you click on install, it will start running it. It will start installing that plugin. So what we are doing this offline, we're not online. We are doing this offline, not online. So let's wait for it until it's finished installing. We're going to wait for it until it finished installing. Alright, I think it's taking some time, but don't worry, it will finally install. Now it has been installed successfully. So look at it, it said team installed successfully. So now that it has been installed successfully, we need to go back to our team page. So if you go back to your team page now, you will see the team that was just installed. You will see the team that was just installed. Okay, I think the team has a problem. The team has a problem. Now it's telling us something here. He said the team is broken teams. The following teams are installed but incomplete. Now what is the problem? It's telling us that we should install parent team. So let's see how to do that. But the only way you can do this now, it means you must be online. It means you must be online. Okay, you said download fail. Then let's just go to writers, or let's go and choose another. Now I will have to connect my network. I connect my network. Now this is my network. I'm connecting it back so that I can go and download that theme online. So I want to go back to online now. I want to go back to online. Let me go back online by coming down here. Then I go back to WordPress theme. So let me click on themes. So under themes now, let me choose from popular. So as I choose from popular, and let's choose this one. Let's choose this. Okay, let's choose this one, start. So I say download. So I start as the finished downloaded. Then now let me go back to my, I may now off this now because I don't need it again until I need it again, because I'm working on offline, but only for me to download those themes and plugins online. That is the need for connection. But now I can disconnect it. Then after disconnecting it, then I go back to my offline website. Now I'm here again. Let's go back. I click back, then I click on add new here. Then I click on upload theme. As I click on upload theme, I click on browse. As I click on browse, then I look for that theme that I've just downloaded. And if I know the name of the theme, I can simply, let me get the name. Okay, how is the name? Start. So let me go back to my browser. So let me just press S as the initial letter of start. I just press S as the initial letter of start. So look at it. So I select it, then I say open. As I open it now, I say install. Now it's installing. So let's wait a while for it to finish installing. Now as you can see, it has finished installing. It is a theme installed successfully. So let's go back to theme page and see if this theme will work. Alright, I think this one did not work too. This one didn't work too. So I will have to delete it. Let me delete them one by one. It didn't work. I will have to go and choose another one that can meet up with the. Do you know the reason why this is not working? It's because of the version of the WordPress installed. So the theme need a latest WordPress, a latest WordPress installation. So this type of WordPress installation is WordPress 4.5. So the themes I'm installing might probably be needing WordPress 9, 8.1 or 9. So that in that case, our WordPress 5.9, 5.5 upward, from version 5 upward. So in that case, let's go and choose another one of the old WordPress. Let's go and choose one of the old WordPress. So I'm saying browsing as usual. Then I come to desktop. Under desktop, let me go to WordPress where all themes and plugins are downloaded. So I have it here. So I have my themes here. So click on theme. Then as you can see as many as possible theme here. So here you can use any of the themes. Now let me choose shop and commerce. That is if I need, or let me choose professional blog. Then click on open. Then install. So let's wait for it to finish installing too. It's still installing. Alright, after which it has finished installing, so we can activate it immediately, or we say return to theme page, just to see how it looks like before activating it. Look at it. Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like professional blog theme. I don't like it. So in that case, we have to add a new theme, because the theme is for another thing entirely, not the kind of website I want to build here. So let's go and upload a new theme. So I think I should upload the shop and e-commerce. So now say install. It's still installing. It is very simple. So this is as simple as this. Just follow the steps and you get to know how to really build your website offline professionally. So now click on return to theme page. Let's see how it looks like before we activate it. All right, look at it. I think I love this. So though we are going to update it, because that's what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. You know, I said it the other time. This is an old theme that you now have to update. So but the new theme could not work with the old WordPress version. So that is why we were unable to install the new theme. Alright, now let's activate it. As we activate it, later we update it. We are going to update it later. So in that case now, let's see how it looks like here. Let's see how it looks like. Now as you can see the website now. That is the website. Now we have our website here. So for e-commerce, so we are building e-commerce website now. So this is our e-commerce website. So you can see in which you now have to fully customize it to suit your business, to suit your e-commerce business. I can use this one to be selling. You can use it to sell anything online. You can use this one to sell shoes. You can use this one to sell bags. You can use this one to sell drugs. You can use this one to sell anything sellable. You can use this site to sell it, because it has the features of e-commerce features. You saw that now. So that is it for now. Before I move on, let me go and create a page. I will have to create pages so that I can create a contact page before we move on. So how do we create a pages? I can see there are no pages here. There are no pages, no menus. There are no menus here. So in order to do that now, we have to go back to pages. Under pages, you click on add new. So you click on add new. Then this one is a sample page. Then we have to, let's click on sample page and see what is there. As you can see, it looks like your about us, because sample page tells stories about what is happening in the website, or what is really happening about the business. So in that case, you can change this to about us. So just come back here, say edit. You can say quick edit. Just say edit. So sorry, just say edit. Then come here, say about us. So come here and update it. That is it. Come here and update it. Then click on add new page. So as you click on add new page, you can now add your page. So now I want to add, I'm adding home, then I say publish. When you add home, I say publish. After publishing, then say add new. Click on add new. As you click on add new, then enter, for example, our service, our services, our service. Yeah, click on publish. Click on publish. Then click on add new. After finish publishing it, after you have finished publishing it, click on add new. Alright, click on add new. As you click on add new, now let me now enter contact us. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, I will enter our blog. Then click on publish. Click on publish. Then after that click on add new again. Click on add new. As you click on add new, now click on contact. Contact us. Type contact us. So as you type contact us, click on publish. Click on publish. Alright, with this now, after that, now let's see how it looks like here. We have to refresh it. We have to refresh it to see how it looks like. So now you can see the pages. Now home is at the middle. We have to rearrange it. It should be home, about us, then our service, our blog, contact us. So that's how we want to arrange it. So in that case, let's go back to this place. Then come back to appearance. Under appearance, click on the menu. Click on menus. Click on menus. So as you click on menus, then as you can see, the menu is already created, or you can see menu 1. Then click on create in order to create the menus. So you can now see it's still creating it. Let us finish creating it. Alright, so now that it has been created, so what you need to do is to now rearrange home, about us, contact us, bring contact us to the last, then bring our service to this place, then bring home. Now home, we now have 2 homes now, so we can delete this one, we can remove this. So we have home, about us, our service, our blog, contact us. So you can click on automatically add new top level. That means apart from the main menu, you see at the top level of the website, you will see another menu there. Then we also have the primary menu. The primary menu is the main menu on the site. So now click on save. Click on save to save it. Click on save to save it. Remember, what you want to do is to upload plugin about contact us, plugin that a contact form plugin. So but we cannot do that except we create pages. So we have to create the contact page for us to be able to use the contact form. So that is the reason for creating these pages. Alright, so now after we have created these pages, now let's come to the main site and see how it looks like. So you can press F5 to refresh, or you refresh here to see how it looks like. Now as you can see, they are well arranged now. Now go to contact us, then you discover that there's nothing there. You discover there's nothing in the contact us, so very empty, you can see. So in that case, let's go back to this place. Come to plugins. Come to plugin. As you come to plugins, now we want to add a form whereby our visitors can always visit to send us messages. So now as you can see, we have some plugins, Askimet and Hello Dolly. This one is not useful. You can delete it. It is designed with WordPress from the beginning, but you can delete it if you don't want it, or you deactivate it. So thank God it's not even activated, so just leave it. So but this one is very, very important. I will be teaching you this in the next class or in our advanced class. So I will be teaching you on how to configure Askimet and the uses and the implementation. So that is what I will be teaching you about Askimet. So now let's go and add plugins. Now this plugin, let's say add new. As you click on add new, it's going to display this. Then click on upload. Click on upload. As you click on upload now, it's loading. It's loading. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Alright, something is asking to, so let me just say stop. Okay, I think it has gone. So now what you need to do now is to click on browse. As you click on browse, now locate where you can find the plugin contact, that is contact form. So we downloaded it that time, so it should be under downloads. So under download, then type contact, type C, press C to take you to the contact where the C category. So this is it, contact form. So I have it here now. So what you need to do is select it. As you select it, click on open. As you click on open, click on install. Click on install. So now it has finished installing. So plugin installed successfully. So you can activate it here, or you go back to, so let's activate it here. So just click on activate plugin. Just click on activate plugin. Now once the plugin is activated, now you see it in the plugin directory. So this is it. So you cannot activate, there's an error. So we're unable to activate. You cannot activate, there's an error because the version of the version of the site, or the version of the WordPress. So in that case, let's go and upload another one. So click on add new. So now click on upload plugin. Click on upload plugin. Alright, click on browse. Now try to locate where to find the plugin. So I think I will not use the one I downloaded before anymore. So let me just go to desktop and see where my theme or my plugin is. So let me double click here. Can I see plugin here? I go to under, okay, I can't find it here. Let me go to group site. Okay, now I can see plugin here. I click on something. Now let me see contact. Can I see contact from here? Oh, no contact from here. I'm trying to see if I can get another contact form for it. Alright, I think I have to go back. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I can't find the contact from there, but I think we're supposed to install one of the old version of contact form. But in that case, let me look for it. I will have to search for it because I know it's installed there. So now let's type contact form to search for it from our computer. To search for it from our computer. To search for it from our computer. Still searching. Still searching. Still searching. Let's see if this one can still go. If not, we can end the class today. Then we'll know how to configure it next time. But that's just the way to install it. So I've already known how to install and upload the plugin. So now how to configure it is what that remains. Let's see how we can add it here. Let's see how we can add it here. Okay, plugin could not be activated because it's alright. Let's go and install another. Let's upload another one. So we are going back to our dashboard. Under our dashboard, we click on plugins. Under plugins, so let's use another contact form. Let's use another contact form. I'm choosing another contact form. Let me fully type it. Contact form. Alright, so this is the one we chose. I was not working. So let's see another one. Contact form 7. Okay, let's just go for this. Let's just go for this and see how it will work. So this is how to install, to download and upload it. So we are downloading now. Then we now go to the WordPress to upload. So WP forms, that is the name, WP form. So now let's come back to WordPress and say add new. Let's come back to WordPress dashboard and say add new. So it's still loading. It's still loading. So while it's loading, please let me use this to remind you that you should please and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please and please, we are begging you to subscribe. If you know you are learning and you are really getting some knowledge from this video, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. At the bottom line of this video, hit the subscription button. Hit the subscribe button, rather. Hit the subscribe button. Alright, the next thing is to click on upload plugin. So as you click on upload plugin, it will take us to a browse window where we'll have to click on browse. So it's still loading. It's still loading. Still loading. So as you can see, it's still loading. So I don't know why it's just getting slow this time, but notwithstanding, it will go. So let's just wait patiently, it will go. So that is one of those things. It will finish it now. Alright, it has opened it. So now click on browse. Now let's go to download. So under the download, so we go to WP form, as you can just continue pressing it, it will take you to the WP form. I think it's under download, so while we're not seeing it, WP form. Alright, let me check it here. No, it's still downloading. Alright, I think we have to stop here. So next time in the next class we are going to learn how to configure it. So after we finish downloading it, then we upload it. So after finish uploading it, the next thing, once we finish uploading it, the next thing is to what? Is to install. So as you install it, once you install it, after finish installing, you activate. So as you activate, we're going to copy the shortcodes we copy the shortcodes of that plugin, of the contact form plugin, into contact form page. So once we do that, then it's going to show us the contact form page here. It's going to show us the contact form here under contact us. So that is how it is done. Thank you so much. Next class I'm going to go more further on how to do this and how to configure the contact form. Thank you so much. I want to believe you enjoyed the window. Continue learning. Don't never stop learning. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like us, if you want more from us, if you need more from us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.